So welcome to Merchant of Venice line by line explanation, and this is Act 1 Scene 1 and the third video. So in second video we saw Antonio saying that he is not sad because of his merchandise, because his investment of is not on one place nor in one ship. Later, we saw that Salarino's comparing Antonio's sadness as two-headed Janus. What is specialty of Janus? It has two heads. One must be always smiling and other must be always frowning. And the frowning one, he compared it as a Nestor, because Nestor always laugh. If Nestor laugh, it means it is a real comedy. So there are what type of people who never smile anything. Later we saw the entry of Bassanio, Bresciano and Lorenzo, and Salarino and Salarino exited from scene. So we have completed that. Bresciano saying that Antonio is sad, thinking upon the world. And what did Antonio say? Yes, he is also thinking on the world, but his role is a sad one. So without any time waste, let's continue on. Bresciano. Let me play the fool with mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come. And let my liver rather heat with wine than my heart cool with mortifying groans. So here we have Bresciano. He said, let me play the fool. As Antonio, a tragic part, Bresciano is saying that let me play a comic role with Antonio as a tragic part. With mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come. You know what is the meaning of mirth and laughter? It refers to happiness or laughter. Let old wrinkles come. Now, what is a wrinkle? Wrinkle, when one laughs, wrinkle appears on his face. Let my liver rather heat with wine than my heart cool with mortifying groans. During Renaissance period, people believed that wine warmed the liver and it would produce rich blood, and it was their belief. But what is Antonio doing? He is just taking out blood from heart by being sad. Why should a man whose blood is warm within sit like his grandsire cut in alabaster? So Bresciano was asking why a man who is just like this sit like his grandsire cut in alabaster. It is a pure white stone which is used for making statues. What? Alabaster. Okay. So sit like his grandson cut in alabaster means sit like motionless person, like as of Antonio's grandfather. Sleep when he wakes and creep into jaundice by being peevish. So when one wake up, he sleeps like a motionless person and creep into the jaundice. Jaundice is a disease which turns the skin yellow in color. Okay, Elizabetha believed that it was caused by bad temper or peevishness. Okay, now a question arises: why is this line referred to Elizabethan era? Okay, that is why I referred that. This is a disease which turns the skin yellow in color. I tell thee what, Antonio, I love thee, and 'tis my love that speaks. There are sort of men whose visages means faces. There are sort of men whose faces do cream and stand in like a standing pond. Cream refers to white cream of the milk. So what he's trying to say is that Bresciano is trying to say that Antonio's face, not Antonio's face. There are few whose faces are like scum that forms on the surfaces of still water or pond. Okay, with the purpose to be dressed in an opinion of wisdom, gravity, and profound concept. So it's a purpose to be dressed of what all things? Wisdom, gravity. So gravity means solemnity, profound concept, meaning deep thought. As who should say, I am Sir Oracle, and when I open my lips, let no dog bark. I am Sir Oracle. It means Grecian is saying that I am speaking with the authority of a Greek oracle. Okay, and when I ope means open. When I open my lips, let no dog bark. Let no dog bark is a proverb which means that let no sound be heard. Oh my Antonio, I do know of these that therefore only a reputed vice. Okay, now a question arises why they are referring to reputed voice. Surely every man has to play a part in his or her life. So he know. Can you say he know of this? Okay. For saying nothing when I am very sure if they should speak would call their damn dossiers. So there are person when they open their mouth you cannot understand or you cannot hear anything, and it is just like calling the brothers fools or calling any person fools, which hearing them would call their brothers fools. I will tell thee more of this another time, but fish not with this melancholy bait, for the fool judge on this opinion. Judge on means a small worthless fish which can be easily caught. Okay, so Christian is saying, okay, I am ending my speech here. As you already know, his speech is there. If Anthony was happy, he would say he will continue the speech. And the condition of the students, that is, your condition will be more dangerous. Because why did I say like that? Because Graciano say, due to your melancholic bait or due to your sadness, I'm ending my speech here. So if Antonio was happy, he would say more speech. Okay, but okay, so Antonio, sorry, Cristiano is saying, you to your sadness, I am ending here. Come, good Lorenzo, fare I will a while. I will enter my exhortation after dinner. So he will say, okay, come, Lorenzo, we will leave Antonio with Bassanio, and I will end my good advice after dinner. Understood? Let me play the fools with mirth and laughter, let old wrinkles come, and let my liver rather heat with wine than my heart cool with mortifying groans. Why should a man whose blood is warm within sit like his grandsire, cut in alabaster, sleep when he wakes, and creep into jaundice? Remember to learn what is jaundice by being peevish. I tell thee what, Antonio, I love thee, and tis means peace. It is my love that speaks. There are sort of men whose visages do cream and mantle like a standing pond, and who are wilful stillness entertained with purpose to be dressed in an opinion of wisdom, gravity, profound conceit, as who should say, I am Sir Oracle, and when I open my lips, let no dog bark. O my Antonio, I do know of these, that therefore only a reputed vice for saying nothing. When I am very sure, if they should speak, would almost damn those ears, which hearing them call their brothers fools. I will tell thee more of this another time, but fish not with this melancholy bait, for this fool judge on this opinion. Come, good Lorenzo, farewell a while. I will end my exhortation after dinner. You have to be more focused on these lines because these lines are more important. These lines are more important, and the chance of asking question here is very high. Very high chance of asking question between these lines because most of the students will get confused by this line. Most of the students. So hope you understood. Let's continue on. Lorenzo. Well, we will leave you then till dinner time. I must be one of these same dumb wise men, for Graciano never lets me speak. So Lorenzo is saying, okay, we will leave you till dinner time, but I don't want to be like Graciano because he speaks a lot. And Graciano also don't let me speak anything. That is a problem. Okay, so Graciano is saying that Well, keep me company, but 2 years more, thou shalt not know the sound of thine altar. So Vishnu is saying, if you want to keep me a friend as me, okay, it is okay. Or if you don't want to keep me, then also you have no problem. But he is saying after 2 years he will have forgotten his own voice. There must be a probable reason he is saying, but he is just saying like that. Antonio, fare you well. I will grow a talker for this year. So Antonio is saying, okay, you leave. I will end my sadness. I will become a talker for this case, for this occasion. Okay, I'm ending my sadness for now. Okay, I will become a talker. Cristiano, thanks I faith, for silence is only commendable. So he is saying, I faith means indeed. Thanks indeed, for silence is only commendable. Or silence is only to be phrased in a neat tongue, dried tongue. Explain Cristiano and Lorenzo. Okay, Cristiano and Lorenzo went on the way. Now only Antonio and Bassanio is present in this scene. Okay. Antonio is asking, is there anything now, or you have, is there anything to tell to me, or what is the thing you have to tell to me? Bassanio, Cristiano speaks an infinite deal of nothing more than any man in all Venice. So in the whole Venice, Cristiano is only person who is talkative and talk like this. No other men talk like that. His reason are as 2 grains of wheat hidden 2 bushels of chaff. Okay, so he is saying, what Graciano is saying, that 2 grains of wheat that are hidden in 2 bushels of chaff. That is, he speaks senseless words, senseless speech. He don't get into important point. If important thing and non-important thing is combined together, he remove all the important thing and speaks about an important thing. You can compare like that. I'm not saying it is exactly like that, you can compare like that. You shall seek all day and you find them, and when you have them, they are not worth the search. When you find something and you found out something similar like that, and when you check it out, if whether it is or not, it is not the one which you are finding. That is, he is saying about Graciano's words. Antonio, well, tell me now, what lady is he saying to whom you swore a secret pilgrimage that you today promised me to tell me of? So Antonio is asking, okay, leave that case about Cristiano. Now tell me about the lady which, to Antonio, which Bassanio loves. That is, about the lady which Bassanio promised to tell me of, to tell Antonio of. Okay, we know who it is, Portia. Um, so Antonio is asking, okay, tell me now, which is the lady that Bassanio promised to tell Antonio of. He is waiting to know who it is. Okay, so today, okay, I'm concluding here. So in first video we discussed up to line, from first video, second video and third video, that is from first to this video we finished up to line 1 to line 125. Hope line 1 to 125 is clear. By next two video we can complete the whole chapter, the whole scene. And after that, after completing the whole act 1 scene 1, we will discuss extra questions, that is out extra questions, or the questions which are more important. Okay, now I am concluding up here. Okay, so hope everything is clear. If you have doubt, just ask me in the comment section below. And today we discussed line 82 to line 125. Okay, so this was the part 3 video. Hope everything is all clear to you. Just ask me if you have doubt. In next 2 videos we can complete Act 1 Scene 1. So thank you.